Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a face glitch effect in CapCut apps. So you can select your videos or photos you like to edit, and I'm going to open my projects, and there is a Michelle Yeoh video. So she's amazing, and I'm going to add a face glitch. Just click effect and select body effect. So in Trendy you can find face glitch. Just tap on it and tap on it again to adjust body atmosphere, density, color, and speed. So you can see for the final result. Like this. That's it. Yeah, it's so a simple tutorial. I hope it was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.